Antarctica is one of the least populated continent in the world. It is the windiest and coldest place in our entire world, which is also an icy desert with very little rainfall throughout the year. Though it has 90% of world's fresh water and 90% of world's ice water, it one of the desiccated place. Some parts of Antarctica haven't experienced rain or snow in 2 million years. Due to pollution and greenhouse effects, few areas turned out to be barren land. Consequently, where there is no or only little ice throughout the year are located in the most northern parts of the continent, which also imitates Mars of 10 billion years ago. To our surprise, there is a fire department on Antarctica. Due to the dryness, fire is a real danger and very hard to put out. This icy continent sits on every line of longitude, therefore technically falls under every time zone. It experiences 24-hour days of sunlight during summer and 24 hours of darkness in winter. Finally, in 1959 a treaty was signed by 12 countries, calling for Antarctica to be used for peaceful purposes only. With regards to this treaty, no country owns Antarctica. The icy Antarctica has the highest average elevation of all continents. Correspondingly, this continent is higher than 9,900 feet above sea level. Facts about vegetation and wildlife. Only green vegetation found in the entire continent is tundra vegetation. These typical tundra plants are small scrubs, grasses and mosses. While the emperor penguins are the only penguin species breeding on Antarctica, there are about 5 million penguins. Science in Antarctica. The largest research station is McMurdoch Station, which is a research center. There more than 1,000 scientists work on various research projects during summertime. Antarctica is the place where the scientist can analyze, determine and predict the effect of climate change due to harmful human activities and this industrial era. In 1985, scientists described a huge ozone hole which grew in the atmosphere over Antarctica. Along with that, there are other experiments which is carried out in Antarctica. Some of them are neutrino identification, supernovae formation, climate change, greenhouse effects, and under ice microbial experimentation. Astronomers have been trying to detect neutrinos, the elusive particles whose signatures help them understand mysteries like how supernovae work and what dark matter is, for decades. At the South Pole, astrophysicists drill 1.5 miles into the ice to hunt for neutrinos, the subatomic particles that are a byproduct of violent cosmic events. Because neutrinos are tiny and electrically neutral, they can travel across the universe without interference, bringing with them information about their distant astrophysical sources. When a neutrino collides with an atomic nucleus, a new particle called a muon is produced, which emits a faint blue glow in the transparent ice that the DOMs can detect. Some scientists running down some experiments under ice to identify new and extreme weather susceptible microbes which are living under untouched place. The results could help astrobiologists predict whether similar microbes might survive on other ice-covered bodies like Jupiter's moon Europa. According to Joseph Levy, a geologist at Portland State University pictured here in green, Antarctica's Taylor Valley approximates the surface conditions on Mars roughly 3 billion years ago. Scientists uses Antarctica as stimulation to Mars and Jupiter's moon Europa to find out the ways for colonization in the future, basically testing out how the world formed from the memory of neutrinos which are captured in the deep ice. Thank you for watching. For more interesting facts, please subscribe to our channel.